Microdispensing is the process of dispensing very small and precise quantities of liquid. This can be accomplished by using specialized equipment called microdispensers from Musashi Engineering, which can accurately control the volume of liquid being dispensed. The process can be used for a wide range of applications, including manufacturing, printing of electronic devices, and laboratory research. In manufacturing, microdispensing is used to dispense small amounts of adhesive, lubricant, or other materials. In electronic device manufacturing, microdispensing is used to print conductive inks, encapsulants, and other materials onto a substrate. In laboratory research, microdispensing is commonly used for tasks such as adding reagents to test tubes, dispensing samples for analysis, and performing serial dilutions. Microdispensers come in different types and can be differentiated by their dispensing method, such as air pulse dispenser, jet dispenser, mono pumps, or other methods. An air pulse dispenser like ML8000X is a device that dispenses a specific amount of liquid at a specific time or rate, typically in response to a preset timer and pressure. These devices are commonly used in a variety of industrial and laboratory settings, such as manufacturing, chemical processing, and research experiments. They can be used to dispense precise amounts of liquids or to control the flow rate of a fluid over time. Jet dispensers like Aerojet and Superjet from Musashi are used for microdispensing. There are different types of jet dispensers designed specifically for microdispensing, such as the piezoelectric jet dispensers Superjet, which use piezoelectric actuators to generate the high-velocity jet, and the pneumatic jet dispensers Aerojet, which use spring load with pneumatic valve to jet. Both dispensers are designed to be precise and accurate, allowing for the precise control of dispensing volume and flow rate, as well as a high degree of repeatability. A plunger pump dispenser like our MPP series is a type of fluid dispenser that uses a plunger to pump and dispense liquids. The plunger is typically powered by a precision motor and moves back and forth inside a cylinder. As the plunger moves forward, it creates a suction in the cylinder, which draws liquid into the cylinder. As the plunger moves backward, it compresses the fluid, pushing it out of the cylinder and through an outlet nozzle. Mono dispenser like Musashi the Monomaster, also known as a progressing cavity pump or eccentric screw pump, is a type of positive displacement pump that uses a rotating helical screw or rotor within a flexible elastomeric stator to pump and dispense liquids or gases. As the rotor rotates within the stator, it creates a series of progressively increasing and decreasing cavities, which draw in and then discharge the fluid being pumped.